take a little time to talk about sanding in between coats because I've gotten a few questions on the SI blog and via email and social. And a lot of people think that sanding in between coats is a big hassle or maybe it's not needed. But I just want to say that if you give your piece a quick sanding in between your primer coats or in between your painted coats or even if you're spraying between each spray, it makes a world of difference. It really does. And it really literally takes 2 minutes. I'm doing this in real time. I just take my time with it. And as you can see, I take, this is a 220 sanding pad or sanding sponge. And I just wipe it down really lightly as if I was wiping my kitchen counter. And I just go over it once. That's all you need. It just knocks down any little dust particle or any paint that's not even with the surface. Then what you do is you remove all the dust with a brush and or tack cloth or damp cloth, and then you're ready to apply the next coat. And really, for the 2-3 minutes it takes to sand in between coats, it is so well worth it. You will notice a big difference in your painted furniture.